Ribbon cable clips, also known as connector fasteners, secure ribbon cables connecting vital components like the LCD screen and keyboard to your laptop's motherboard. These clips often fail due to wear, improper handling, or manufacturing defects. This video will guide you through repairing these clips to extend your laptop's life and reduce e-waste. Remember, DIY repairs can void your warranty and risk damage. Proceed with caution or seek professional help. Ribbon cable clips are typically ZIF zero insertion force or leaf low insertion force connectors. They consist of a plastic housing with a hinged or sliding clip. Inside, parallel wires in the ribbon cable align with gold-plated pins. The clip ensures a secure electrical connection. Common issues include bent pins causing short circuits, cracked clips from drops, and adhesive residue obstructing proper seating. Always disconnect the battery before proceeding. Before beginning ribbon cable clip repair, gather these essential tools: a precision-engineered plastic pry tool to gently open clips without scratching, a magnetic pin straightener for fixing bent pins, an anti-static wrist strap to protect against electrostatic discharge, a magnification lens for detailed inspection, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning contacts, and a multimeter to test connections. Safety is paramount in laptop repairs. Work in an ESD-safe environment to prevent static damage to sensitive components. Always use the anti-static wrist strap connected to a ground source, and disconnect the laptop's battery before starting any repair. Handle ribbon cables carefully to maintain proper positioning. The cable should be fully seated in the connector with all pins aligned. First, power off the laptop completely to prevent any electrical damage. Then carefully disassemble the device to access the motherboard, following your laptop's service manual. Next, locate the ribbon cable clip on the motherboard. Use a plastic opening tool to gently pry open the clip mechanism. Work slowly and avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches. Now inspect the connector pins carefully. Look for any bent, damaged, or misaligned pins that could cause poor connections. Use a magnifying lens if needed for better visibility. If you find bent pins, use fine-tip tweezers or a specialized pin straightening tool to carefully realign them. Work gently to avoid breaking the pins or causing further damage. Finally, clean both the connector contacts and the ribbon cable ends with isopropyl alcohol on a soft cloth. This removes dust, residue, or oxidation that could interfere with electrical connections. Begin by carefully reseating the ribbon cable into the connector, ensuring it's fully inserted. Double-check the alignment to ensure proper positioning. Once the cable is properly seated, close the clip. Ensure the clip locks securely, maintaining a firm connection. If the clip is loose or cracked, consider a 3D printed replacement or a clip from a parts supplier. Remember to always work in an ESD-safe environment to prevent damage. After reassembling, test the connection using a multimeter to check continuity between the cable and motherboard. If the device still doesn't function, re-inspect the pins and reseat the cable to ensure proper alignment. Heat guns at 100 to 150 degrees Celsius can soften adhesive in stubborn cases, but use extreme caution to avoid overheating the motherboard. Common mistakes during ribbon cable repair can lead to further damage. Here are key prevention tips to ensure successful repairs. Avoid bending ribbon cables at sharp angles, as this can cause tears or damage to the conductors. Always keep cables straight during handling. Use cable organizers during reassembly to prevent future damage. Proper cable management keeps components secure and reduces strain on connections. Over-tightening clips can lead to cable tears. Be gentle when closing clips to avoid damaging the delicate ribbon cables. Neglecting to check continuity with a multimeter can result in undetected internal damage. Always test connections after repair. Consider modular designs in newer laptops like Framework for easier access, compared glued-in components in older models. The trend is towards more repairable laptops with standardized connectors and toolless fasteners. Keep an eye out for laptops designed for easy access with toolless fasteners. Sustainability efforts are driving DIY repair communities. Expect smart connectors with embedded sensors that alert users to wear. While wireless alternatives may reduce ribbon cable issues, repair demand will persist for legacy devices. Support right to repair initiatives for increased access to schematics and parts.